All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 23, collisions. So it says, write your own sprite interaction. Now the elephant should push the hippo off the screen. Notice that the elephant moves at a random y velocity each time the program runs, which means that we can't do what we did on level 2 because we knew that the elephant velocity or that the giraffe velocity was 1. Here, we're not going to know what it is, so that's where it's going to get interesting. So do this. Run the program to see how it works. Add code to make the elephant push the hippo off the screen. Drag out an if statement inside the draw loop. Use an is touching block with the if statement to detect when the elephant is touching the hippo. Inside the if statement, assign the hippo's velocity y to match the elephant's velocity y. All right, so that's actually easier than I thought it was going to be. We're going to take our if statement. We're going to take our is touching. All right, so if our elephant is touching our hippo, then we need to match. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to say elephant velocity y. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, my goodness. All right, well, you got to love the internet sometimes. Let's do that again. All right, if you didn't catch it the first time, if statement, sprite is touching, so giraffe is touching hippo, except we're not using the giraffe anymore, we're using the elephant. Okay, so elephant is touching hippo, excellent. And then we need to have our equal sign, but it's not equals, it's just gets. So assign the hippo's velocity y to match the elephant's velocity y. So we're going to say elephant dot velocity y is going to be the same as hippo dot velocity y. Let's see if I did that right. We're going to run it. Oop. Okay. You know what I did? I need to switch these around so I can save on my typing. We're just going to say that. We're going to put that one there. We're going to put that one there. Now give it a try. We're going to reset and run. Fingers crossed. Hey, there we go. That was perfect. All right. And so let's just rerun it one more time to make sure that even at a different speed. Yep, perfect. Easy cheesy. All right, so I will see you guys on level 4. I feel like we're finally getting into the good stuff.